Other senior officers, members of the which was first held in 1978, is observed annually to commemorate the establishment of the Nigerian Army. It also marks the day the first shot was fired at Garkem town in the present-day Cross River State, signifying the commencement of the Civil War. The celebration also affords us the opportunity to recognize and honor the heroic contributions of our officers and soldiers, past and present. This year, the Nigerian Army is celebrating 162 years of service to our great nation. That is over a century and a half of selfless dedication to duty, patriotism, loyalty, and commitment to protecting our families, friends, compatriots, and above all, safeguarding the sovereignty and integrity of our beloved country. The history dates back to 1863, when Lieutenant Glover of the Royal Navy organized 18 indigenes of northern Nigeria into a force known as the Glover Hausas. The Nigerian Army has since grown exponentially, surmounting all challenges that every generation of our forebears have had to contend with. Nigerian soldiers participated in the two great wars, conducted and concluded the Nigerian Civil War, upheld the banner of peace in the West African sub-region, and projected peace and stability across the African continent. In recent times, our nation has had to contend with the enemies of peace and agents of chaos who have brought terrorism to our borders and caused a plethora of internal security issues. Notwithstanding, the Nigerian Army has risen to the occasion to deny these terrorists the opportunity to disrupt our socio-cultural heritage or smear the sanctity of our sovereignty. In this vein, the Nigerian Army will not relent in its efforts to ensure the security of the Nigerian people and the perpetuity of our democracy. The Nigerian Army Day celebration provides an opportunity to showcase our achievements thus far and deepen collaboration with various stakeholders towards enhancing peace, security, and the defense of our national values. The theme of the Nigerian Army Celebration 2025 is developing the soldier-first concept, imperative for Nigerian Army's transformation drive, was carefully selected as it espouses our renewed drive to transform the Army by placing our soldiers first. The Nigerian Army, as an instrument of national unity, integration, and development, has made significant strides in innovation, research and development, civil-military relations, and technological advancements to better equip the soldier to carry out his constitutional responsibilities. A number of activities have been lined up for this year's celebration, and we have since commenced with the traditional Jumat prayers and interdenominational church services, which symbolizes our humble acknowledgement of the Nigerian Army motto, "Victory is from God alone." Today, we are here with you, the members of the press, for the Nigerian Army Day Celebration 2025 press briefing. On Friday, the 4th of July, there will be commissioning of numerous civil-military cooperation projects in different locations within Kaduna State. A golf tournament, free medical outreach program, and the Nigerian Army Officers' Wives Association charity outreach program. On the same day, there will be public speaking engagement visits to selected secondary schools in all Nigerian Army formations. On Saturday, the 5th of July, there will be a lecture at the Nigerian Defense Academy, Kaduna, to deliberate on topical issues, and thereafter, we will have the award ceremony for the second Chief of Army Staff annual literary competition. In the evening on the same day, there will be a gala night with officers and soldiers at the Umaru Musa Yar'Adua Conference Center, Murtala Mohammed Square, Kaduna. The event will be rounded up with the Nigerian Army Day Celebration 2025 grand finale on Sunday, the 6th of July, 2025, where we witness a military parade, equipment display, as well as the presentation of the Chief of Army Staff Commendation Award to deserving personnel. Our distinguished members of the press, I want to conclude by acknowledging the long-standing partnership we share with you that has significantly enhanced our operations. I therefore reaffirm our commitment to maintaining this cordial relationship with you, as well as with other security stakeholders and well-meaning Nigerians in our collective quest to secure our nation. I also look forward to seeing you in Kaduna for other activities of the Nigerian Army Day Celebration 2025. Thank you all.
Army Staff, the Chief of Police